Hi guys, welcome to Budget with Lizzy. If you like budgeting and cash stuffing videos, this is the channel for you. I upload videos at least twice per week, so don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you can know when I put up another video. So if you're ready, here we go. Today we're stuffing our challenges and just two sinking funds, not much money. So today we're stuffing a total of $300. So we're just gonna count our money before we start. 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 200, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 at $300. So I hope you guys, all the mommies, enjoy their Mother's Day. Was that the 8th? Sunday. I hope you guys enjoyed. I didn't do much. My son got me flowers and ordered food so we can have a nice dinner, and I was just happy with that. He usually cooks a lot, so I guess I usually have a good Mother's Day every day, so can't complain. So for our stuffing today, we're just stuffing, as I said, our challenges. I don't want to miss that because this is a part of me paying off my debt by a certain time. So I'm only stuffing a little bit into two sinking funds today, and that's medical and a buffer. I use some money out of my buffer, so that's why I'm trying to build it up. So medical, we're just adding $2. It has 40. I'm constantly in this because I have a doctor's appointment lined up, and each time I go, it's a copay for something. And there's a copay also for my medications, and that's $1. So that's why I just put the extra $2 in medical. So medical got $2, and my buffer, I used some money from there. I had to go to court. I will be in court with my landlady. So I had to pay a fee when I went to court, so I took it from the buffer account. So I only have $13 in there, and we're adding 20 today. So 20, 30. We have 33 in the buffer account, and we will need to build that up. So that's it for sinking funds this week. Next thing we're stuffing is our challenges. Like I said, 52-week challenge is getting $35 today, and that's the other. 1 second. Whoop, here we go with the glare again. 1 second. So like I was saying, we're coloring our 35 today for our 52-week challenge. So we'll put that to the side, and that's getting $35. 52 weeks has 762, and then we add in $35. So 762 plus 35 is equal 797. So 20, 30, 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97. 797 in our 52-week challenge. Then for our $20 challenge, we're ordering $20. So that has 1, 2, 3, 20, 40, 60, 80, 280. I'll just wait and update this trackers at the end. Then the $15 challenge, oops, is getting $15. 10, 15, so we now have 1, 2, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 285. That glare is so crazy. Then $10 challenge is getting $10. So we have $150, $60, $70. 170 in our $10 challenge. Card down payment is getting $25 today. I had budgeted to $50, but we didn't have enough for that. So we put in half of what we would color our car for. And then next week when we put the second half, then we'll color one of our cars. So car down payment now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20, 40, 60, 75, 775. Oop. Then $1,000 challenge is getting $10 today. I had budgeted $9. Now we up it $1. So it now has 1, 2, 3, 32 in our $1,000 challenge. Yikes, get in there. That one will be coloring $1,000 challenge. We have to color 10. Here's one. So that's one down. So that's it for this binder. Then our monthly challenge, since we're doing the one for May, we're going to color another one of our images. And since we have these colors right here, and add $10 to my monthly budget challenge, monthly challenge. It's a challenge to say that, I guess. So we're adding $10. this, and I'm going to add our tracker back in, and add our $10 in. Whoop. So that's our monthly challenge. Stuff to a car. Then a 100 envelope challenge will be, we're doing number 88 today. We're going backwards. So cool. So we have 50, 70, 75, 80, 85, 1, 2, 3, 88, 50, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, $88 is going into our 100 envelope challenge. Then the only thing left is my wallet. I didn't start with my wallet today because I have no money left. I was going crazy this week, just spending. No particular reason. Some of this, I don't even want to talk about it. So I have no money. Look, zip, zilch. All gone. So we're just filling it today. So in spending, I'm adding 20. I'm try not to buy anything this week. Eating out, $20. Nothing groceries. Household, it's 10. Let's do 5 and 5 singles for household. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 for household. And Given is getting 5 singles. For that lady on the corner, non-stop. Giving. And then emergency is getting the final 10. And let's take out some of the coins. I have a new coin thing that I'm using. This is actually a candle from a candle. I had a beautiful smelt candle in this that I bought from Marshall's. It's huge. So I cleaned up the container once the candle was finished, and I actually glued it with some E6000, one of those knobs for drawers. I glued it on top of the cover of the candle, and isn't that cool? Super cool. Thinking of cutting something from my Cricut to stick on there. So we're gonna add, I'm not putting any pennies in here. I like to keep 1/4. I took all the pennies that I had and took it to the store up the block and asked one of the guys that's very nice in the store if he can change the pennies for me, and he did. It was just like 35 cents. So got that. So that's it for my wallet. Let's hope it has some money in it next week. And then the final thing is my automatic savings. My emergency fund had to be decreased by $800. It's something I don't even want to talk about, but I had to take the money out in an emergency, and it really hurt my heart. But that's what we're saving, you know, the money for in case of emergency. So I'm gonna have to try and build up back my emergency fund. So now we're at an even 3,000, And today we're adding 50. I'm sorry, we're not adding 50 because we already added the 50 before I took out the 800. So there it goes. I only have 3,000 in my emergency fund. So 3,000 emergency fund. My 10,000 challenge, I'm adding 200, which would give us 44. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then our $25 challenge is getting 25, so we now have 625 in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 25. At the end of the month, I will show up update on this account because usually I have an app on my phone for American Express because I don't have their credit card, so I have to go online to see this account. So we'll show update at the end of the month. And that's it for the stuffing today. I think that's all I have. Everything is stuffed. Monthly challenge, emergency fund, all that good stuff. So that's it for today. I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was a little, but we got through it. And like I said, I hope you guys will stick by, subscribe. I want to thank my few subscribers that I have. I appreciate you guys leaving comments and stuff, and I want to thank you for being here. And if you like the video, just give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.